Hi everyone, I'm DK, and today I'd like to present to you the R13CMB-Li, an 18-volt lithium-ion cordless combi drill. The high and low speed setting is great to optimize the drill to suit all kinds of drilling, screw driving and impact drilling applications. There's an easy access forward and reverse switch on each side of the drill. As a combi drill, it has 3 operational modes, which are drill, driver and impact. There's an adjustable clutch just here behind the chuck. This collar is numbered to represent the amount of torque or twisting power of the drill. The chuck here is 13mm and keyless. It supports large drill bit sizes up to 13mm and is ideal for those jobs that need larger holes to be drilled. Below the handle here, there's an LED work light. This greatly assists you in being able to see clearly when drilling or screwing in tight spaces.